Alright y'all, so I'm taking two of the nails that I want to do a design. I believe they are my ring fingers, and I have painted them white and then put a top coat on top. You want to make sure that you have a top coat on top for this technique or it won't work. So next I'm just taking some regular Sharpie pens. I'm taking red, yellow, and brown. I like to use colors that are somewhat similar or in the same family, so then when the color begins to bleed, it kind of meshes together really nicely. So I'm gonna just scribble on the Sharpies, as you can see, and I'm keeping them kind of close to one another, but then I'm also leaving some gaps of white, so you don't need to have the whole nail colored in Sharpie. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my nail brush and I'm dipping it into some 90 proof alcohol, and then I'm gonna wipe it on a napkin because you don't want the brush to be super soaked. And then I'm gonna just begin to rub it against the nail, and you're just gonna see how the alcohol kind of just spreads the Sharpie and begin to make that kind of marble effect. And then after the first coat, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit more of my red, and I'm just going to add that to intensify. And I'm gonna do this about 3 times, just adding and taking away until I get the color intensity that I want. This is all about your preference, so depending on if you like it after the first coat, then go ahead and go to the next step. But for me, I wanted the color to be a little bit more intense, so that's why I'm just going back and forth till I get it the way that I want. Next, I'm going to take my Sally Hansen Mega Strength nail polish in the color Class Act, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the remaining 6 nails. I decided to do 4 accent nails, so the remaining 6, I'm painting them in this shade, and I have a white base underneath, so that way I don't have to do too many coats of this nail polish, so that's just an easy trick. And then it also makes your nail polish pop even more. Not that this nail polish needs any more pop, because this color is so bomb, but yeah. As you guys can see, I'm just going to go ahead and paint my normal technique, painting halfway, then changing directions toward the cuticle, so that way it doesn't get clogged up. And I like to do that whenever I'm doing press on nails, so that it's just like a nice even coat. Now that our Sharpie art is dry, I'm going to go ahead and take my Kiss nail glue, and you can use nail foil adhesive, but this is what I had on hand, so I'm just going to go ahead and add some dots to the nail, and then I'm going to spread that out, making sure that it's a nice thin layer over the nail. And then I'm going to take this gold foil from Born Pretty, and I'm just going to apply it to the nail, and then I'm going to rub my finger against the foil. You want to make sure that the foil is gold side up. Basically, the color is showing and not the other way around. I know that it's a little bit confusing, because originally I thought that I had to put the gold side down, face down, but no, it needs to be face up. And then I'm just gonna rub my finger against the nail, and then I'm just gonna pull it up, and as you guys can see, it's a nice pretty foil design. So I'm gonna do that for the other nail off camera. So next for my pinky nails, because I love for my nails to have different accents, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my Mega Strength top coat, and I'm gonna use that so that my glitter has something to adhere to. So I'm gonna just put a nice coat of that, and then I'm gonna take this gold glitter from Born Pretty and this other gold glitter from Charme, and I'm just mixing the two, and then I'm gonna use a fan brush to apply it. Now the first time I applied it, I think I waited too long and the top coat dried too fast, so I had to go in after and add a little bit more, but it just intensified that glitter. And as you can see, this is what it looks like, and this is the final look of this set. I am in love with this super simple Sharpie glitter nail design, you guys. It's so easy, and you guys can achieve it at home. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up and Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!